Launched in 2006, PlayStation Network transformed gaming from a solitary experience into a global community. Picture millions of players, connected through invisible digital threads, competing, collaborating, and sharing experiences across continents. PSN isn't just about gaming. It's a digital entertainment hub where worlds collide. From downloading the latest blockbuster titles to streaming movies and connecting with friends, it's become the backbone of Sony's gaming ecosystem. But the journey wasn't always smooth. In 2011, a massive security breach shook users' confidence. Yet, like a phoenix, PSN emerged stronger with enhanced security and new features. Today, over 100 million active users call it home. From humble beginnings as a simple online gaming service to its current status as a digital entertainment powerhouse, PlayStation Network has redefined how we play, connect, and share in the digital age.